The next yo-yo trick, two-handed yo-yo trick, we're going to be learning is called Tangler. And it's probably one of my favorite two-handed tricks. It's not necessarily the hardest one, just takes a lot of practice. It looks really impressive. What you're doing is literally taking the yo-yos from around the world, you're swinging them in front of each other, which is actually tangling them and then untangling them. Trick looks like this. They tangle, they're going around each other, and they come out and you catch. So one more time, it looks like this. They're tangled, and then you come out and catch them. To practice this, I highly recommend just using two dead yo-yos. They're not spinning at all. Practice first swinging them around. I found it's easiest to get into Tangler if you do it while they're not going at the same time. So you notice one's coming around, then the other. As one's coming around, then the other. I usually let my non-dominant hand lead, so the non-dominant hand's swinging around first, and then as it comes around, you take your throw hand, my right hand, and I actually take it over to the side and cross it. You'll notice the strings have tangled. What you do from there, now notice I've got it crossed over here. This is going to happen a lot when you first learn. You'll notice it's really easy. You just take it, uncross it, and you'll be out.